ako'y na-haggard guys sa kaka-prepare ng mga food.
Think about the thousands here. I don't know how to create, for example, the temperature or to put down or this thing. Everything automatic makes.
It means a little bit presentable naman our looks. So we are now in Sweden guys. Ayan. So ayan, nag-prepare na ako. It's very cold there guys. Hey. Hey. We're working.
Chef's uniform in the car.
Yeah. We'll go to mountain guys. So magsaserve kami ng food doon.
National park. We will see animals there.
Yeah, really?
We will see the deers and these things.
Yes. So we will go to national park.
Maybe we can touch them.
Yeah, let's see. So national park, nandun yung mga 24 people. So paglulutuan namin sila dun guys, like mag-barbecue. Ayan. Tapos yung mga yan, so outside activities. So at the same time, nag-work kami, at the same time may activities din kami. Parang nasa holidays na rin kami. Sarap pala mag-work dito, no? Sa mountain. Hey! The belly. Bisyoso to. Bisyoso yung asawa ko, oh. Very beautiful
I'm
pa.
owner of the car.
He's driving pa the elegant car rather than the boss. Bisyoso. yung boss, what kind of car the boss using?
One simple one.
One simple one, and the chef, electric car pa. Ayusin mo yan doon kay baka we live forever here. Careful driving, ha? Baka maano tayo dito. Mabaon tayo dito ng matagal sa Norway. Maging regular staff tayo dito. So, ayan. Oh, so ganda. Mag-barbecue sila doon. Kami pala, mag-barbecue. So, ayan. Uy, my camera is getting... So, we're excited guys sa aming day off. So, same schedule kami dito. Always kami magkasama. Tapos, yung boss, binigyan din kami ng same day off. Siyempre, kasi dito kami sa mountain. Kung magkaiba kami ng day off, anong gagawin namin sa isa't isa? So, Sunday ang aming day off always. And, tapos ito yung car na pinapagamit ng boss pag lalabas kami, kunwari, punta kami ng supermarket ng Sweden. By the way, So, by the way, nasa ano na tayo guys? Nasa Sweden tayo. Nasa borders tayo ng Sweden. So, anytime pwede tayong magpunta ng Sweden. Ayan. Tapos guys, sa day off namin, free din kami gumamit ng room. Free din kami gumamit ng sauna. Ayan. Saka jacuzzi. Pero siya lang naman yung fan ng jacuzzi. Lamig-lamig
This is
the problem. Actually, I informed them we need water. Maybe they like, but they don't bring. They have wine, they say.
For us.
Yeah, this is the problem. I didn't bring. Why I didn't put it in my...
thermos we have to have.
So, we drink na lang in the river, I think, diba? So, ayan. So, yun yung ano, is yung boss naman namin is hindi madamot sa mga ganun, sa mga gagamitin like sauna, hammam. Ayan. Ay, they don't have hammam, right? Sauna only and jacuzzi. Sauna and jacuzzi. Yun. So the good thing is at least may car kami para mag-move. Kasi dito guys, walang mga kiosk dito. Walang mabilhan. Nandito kami sa Kabagwakan.